Welcome to the Little Beading Closet. I'm Sherry. Today's beading tutorial is for the Dainty Diamond Duet bracelet. I hope its classic design makes it onto one of your beading project list really soon. So let me show you the supplies and how to make it. The supplies for today's bracelet are size 15 seed beads, size 11 seed beads, and you can use diamond duos or gem duos in your choice of 2 colors, or if you want to use all the same, that's fine too. I'm going to use a simple toggle clasp today, or you could use a magnetic one, along with a size 12 beading needle, and I'll be using fire line for this project. Let's begin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Begin by picking up a 15, an 11, and a 15, one diamond duo or gem duo, a 15, an 11, and a 15. I'll go ahead and move these down on my thread near my end, leaving about a 6-inch tail, and then go ahead and knot this together, just like this to start. I'll go ahead and give it one more quick little knot. So we're going to be starting with this. Now, needle back through one side. I like to go on my right side, so I'll go through the 15, 11, and 15. Now I'll come through our diamond-shaped gem duo or diamond duo bead, pull all my thread through, and I want my thread to lay on the back of this bead, just like so. So I'm going to lay it on the back of my bead and come up through the empty hole. At this point, we're going to be picking up another 15, 11, and 15. One of our other color of gem duo, diamond duo beads. And what I'll do is bring that down next to my work. So now that I have it down here next to my other beads, I'm going to needle into the empty hole of it. Go ahead and pick up the pattern of a 15, an 11, and a 15, and come into this first gem duo that you added, and pull all that through. From this point, I'm going to flip it over and needle up the 15, 11, and 15 and through the gem duo. Without the tail. So we have this started. Again, pick up a 15, an 11, and a 15. One more of our gem duos, this time entering this direction. Then one more 15, 11, and 15. And come back into your gem duo. So now I'm coming into the blue one. And we'll come back around. Lay your thread right here on the side of your gem duo, and then come back up the 15, 11, and 15. This bracelet, you don't want to pull super tight. You want to be just an average tension, nothing too tight and nothing too loose. And I'm going to come back down through my gem duo. And again, I want the thread to lay on the back of the bead. So I'm going to put it on the back of the bead and come back through my gem duo. Now, again, we're going to be picking up the pattern of 15, 11, and 15. one of our GemDuos. I'm going to be coming in this direction and bringing it down next to my work. At this point, you can go ahead and needle into the empty hole. Pick up your 15, 11, and 15. And come back down through the previous GemDuo. Again, I like to go on my right side up here through my 15, 11, 15, and I'll come straight through the GemDuo. So this is pretty easy. We're going to get a 15, 11, and 15. Picking up one of our other colored GemDuo Diamond Duo beads, and then a 15, an 11, and a 15. So with these on our needle, we're going to come back into the blue or other colored GemDuo you have. I'm going to lay my thread along the side of this one by coming through the other side of it and up through my 15, 11, and 15. And then back up here through this GemDuo. And again, I want the thread to lay on the back of it. So I'll put it behind. It's laying on the back of it. And needle through the empty hole of this GemDuo. So just continue repeating. I repeated my pattern and used a total of 21 of my GemDuo Diamond Duo beads. Down here at this end, we're going to pick up a 15, an 11, and a 15. Again, a 15, 11, and a 15. And come back through the empty hole of your GemDuo. Then needle down through 1, 15, 11, and 15. So exiting the 15. I'm going to get ready to add my toggle clasp. I'll pick up 2 11s, one end of my toggle clasp, then 2 more 11s, and come into the opposite 15, 11, and 15. And it will look like this. Now what I need to do is just needle through all my beads a few more times before I tie off my thread, and then repeat that at the other end. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on the Dainty Diamond Duet. This bracelet was a lot of fun to make, and I was so happy to share the pattern with you. Until next time, I hope you have a beautiful day.